Yo guys, always nice to see you. I want to show you something that I did yesterday that I'm quite proud of. Basically, I've been developing scrapers since a long time, mainly using Python and Selenium. I tried Playwright too a bit, and more recently I tried NoDriver, which is kind of cool too. Which is less detected supposedly, but from what I understood, it still use no Chrome driver binary. Anyway, so I just want to check something. I'm curious, actually. No, it's not even. So yeah, I did try the no driver and other seleniums, and it's always the same problems with scrapers. First, anti-bot detection when the website know you're a bot, and this is particularly the case with Selenium automation. Of course, there's a great thing called Selenium base, which is obfuscated Selenium. It's like undetected Selenium. But the thing with them that I appreciate is they use P auto GUI. One second. So here 100% Selenium or UC mod there, or CDP, pure CDP. Okay, maximum CDP, pure CDP. I'll check that. So yeah, Selenium base is cool because it also uses P auto GUI, which let me use my mouse and my keyboard. Now I'm not on a server; I'm on my local machine, but this is not detected by websites, and nothing they can do to do this. Like they could track the mouse movement or the time you input keys, but this can all be randomly generated, of course. So basically, I always face the same issue when the website when the websites add bot protection. This bother me, and I need to change most of the time lots of code or change all logic, or as right now, like trying to new drivers that will be less detected. And it's always bad. And also, when they change a template, when they change something, a field that was there before, or a title, something I used to rely on the old flow is not there anymore or change. It's always problem. A scraper is a set of rules, and when the website you're scraping is changing the rules, it breaks your scraper. So that's a perpetual. It's always asking for more work, and I was tired of that. So I had an idea. I tested Quen 3.59b locally on a it's not a particularly good GPU, and I was actually surprised about the quality of it and the speed of it. And right now I don't have it on me right now. The computer is off, so I've used OpenRouter in this example. Also Selenium base and Quen agent framework, which is from the Quen team. And I thought about this. A template engine that is written in YAML, whatever you call this, with goals, steps, some data, and a worker, which is the agent. A playbook system, because once a flow is achieved, we don't necessarily need to use AI. Let's say to log in on a website and extract some data. It's always going to be the same process. You just change the data, but the step and the goal always stay the same. if the playbook fail, we want the AI to take the AI agent to take the lead and possibly edit the playbook or whatever, fix what was broken by itself. Uh, then the browser, which is Selenium based, the page, and the playbook saved on success. I also inspired myself on Pinch tab, which I contributed a small contribution, not big work, but honest work. But it's basically a panel that provide an API for multiple. You can have multiple Chrome instance driver, if I can say that, and it analyze the page instead of giving the AI the full source code or let's say an image. I know a guy made this for mobile, like taking a screenshot of the screen, processing this with Quen vision model, which is cool. But being a Selenium, I wanted kind of the same structure of this, and I still need to implement some of that. But I think I have Navigate, Snapshot too. So we reproduced. I inspired myself. So when you create a snapshot of this, I'm gonna show you what it looked like. I think reference. No. Snapshot. Okay, that's Soling. Oh, but I mean that's an example. That's a good thing. Can I do this? More information. Learn more. Okay. So in that case, you know, the title of the page, the URL, and the nodes. There is a link. Like there is a reference. There is the role. What is it? Like a link, something that's clickable, and the name of it. And so instead of passing the full source code of the website, we just pass nodes, which can tell my agent, like this is what you can interact with. And if there is nothing to interact, you can still snapshot, let's say, all the text, which is what they do here is more like text, you know, readable text, or fine elements, stuff like that. I still need to do this. But that's basically what I did. And I've made templates. So I'm gonna show you an example of the templates I made. Let me just eat a tomato. There is also a test website here that is running right now. Sorry, this is a test website, okay? That is part of the project. And if I go there, demo thing up. So, we have the name of the template. We have an URL. You can see there is a placeholder here, placeholder format. We have a goal. We have the data that we want to pass by default. The URL, the email, the password, the username. And see, the URL is this placeholder, you know? And the steps. Each step is like go to home page, description, it's readable by LLM. And what we expect, another filling up form, we want to fill the email, the username, the password, the confirmed password using the placeholder here. We expect all four fields are filled. We submit, we click the create account, and we expect the browser to redirect to the dashboard page. Verified dashboard, confirm dashboard is low, look for a welcome banner. We expect, and the success mean that at this point we are in the account, which is the goal of this template, right? We can also use verify to verify that the URL match and the element match. And then the task to extract account data, we want to extract the account ID, the plan name, and the email shown on the dashboard. Account, plan, email. See, this is extract key. We can also set a couple of rules here, just for the sake of it. So, what this look like, once again, we have no playbook right now. So, we will be running the flow without any preset data. Sometimes it doesn't mean it's gonna work the first time, but still. Also, this is gonna be implemented in a Python module import. Right now, this is a graphical interface I made just for the sake of it. This is my girlfriend there that I love. You can see the Selenium base instance on my Chromium open, and we start querying the LLM through Open Router in this case. We can see the agent tool called clicked. This was written in the playbook that go to home page. This is what we can assert the URL, the assertion. We can see the AI agent fill all the forms in one time. The playbook was written. We're moving in the form. We're verifying the dashboard. You can see the assertion. And then we're going to extract the data, and we should have a success. Sorry. So, we can of course check all the debugs here. Info, warning, error, whatever. Just cool to have graphical interface. So for about this price, I need to check this, but it should be accurate. But for a very cheap price, proper time, we're able to automate a sync-up process using the AI agent, and to achieve the goal, which is extracting this type of data. So the fun part is, now that we know that it's working, we can quit that, and we should see how can I refresh this? How do you do this? How can I refresh the buffer? Sorry, I'm new to MVim, and I started to go down the rabbit hole. I feel so stupid right now. Hello? Okay, sorry guys. Can I refresh? Is there a key for this? Be sure that next time I record NVim, I will know how to do this. Let's just go back. So we can see the playbook. Maybe I was just retarded and it was not shown. but we can see here. So this is the playbook from the template, the domain, and all the steps. We went to the home page, we did this, we did that, blah, blah, blah. Expected URL, assertion. Create account, demo app, static text, create your account, fill up single form. So target role, target name. So all the filling. There is still the same assertion, that's weird, but submit form, and we expect to reaching this. By the way, this it's AI agent, but it's using strings to just welcome is gonna work. And we verify the dashboard again for whatever reason. Submit form. And extracting the account data. This is gonna be this is automated by the agent from the original template. It's gonna use this extract. So if we want to go over and run this but with different data, let's use a new email, new password, and new username, which are the data we can set. We can see that we're gonna go into playbook mode, and it's not gonna cost 1 cent of AI to reproduce the same thing with new data. There you go. So, sorry, my goal doing this is, that's cool. And you can see Piotr GUI have some lock to be able to use multiple browser. So of course there is a couple of things to do yet, like proxy support, multiple instance with XFSB, separate the terminal user interface, so we can use this as a Python module and stuff like that. Sorry. And also update the playbook when it failed by itself, because if a step will have failed for whatever reason, the AI can still come and see what's happening, you know. Like, oh, there is just a pop-up that appeared there sometime. So we would want the AI to close the pop-up and also write in the playbook sometime there is a pop-up that is there that we might need to check. So these are the kinds of improvement I'm running toward. And this is the result, basically. That all come to the fact that I've been developing scrapers for a long time, and I'm tired of being detected as a bot. So Selenium base was a good solution for me. But I'm also tired of coding scrapers. Not that I don't like it, it's just a lot of work to snapshot a website and to write the rules that are going to be changed at some point by someone else than me. And so I think that AI scraper is the solution to put ideas. Let's say I want to create a sing up logic for a new site. I will write it in plain human text, define my steps, and also implement more Selenium related checks, like you can use this string to check if we're logged in, or use we could pass proxy at each new playbook run. So this is my new AI agent. This is my new AI agent scraper project, and I'm very proud of what's been done already.